Welcome back to Jumaane's Home Tours. My name is Jumaane. I'm a realtor with John L. Scott Silverdale, and today we take a look inside a tiny home in Bremerton, Washington. Let's go check it out. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 690 square foot home with a wraparound layout. From the entrance, we enter the living room, which connects to the first bedroom, and the kitchen. Both bedrooms have access to the bathroom. Thank you guys for watching the tour. You can find me at all the social medias at Jumaane Real Estate. If you're looking to buy a home or sell a home, I would love to connect with you guys. Until next time, be legendary.